Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige Ambitex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a Linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Up in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, buttons for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C300 has 18,873 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.